When all you have is a small format printer and you'd like to print an image that's much larger, for example, 40 by 60 inches, we have an option inside of Perfect Resize called tiling. This allows you to tile out your image so that you can print individual pieces and then piece them back together after you've printed them. I've gone ahead and selected the option in the tiling panel on the right-hand side by turning the panel on. It's applied a cyan overlay on top of my image, which allows me to see where all of the different tiles will be printed out and where they'll be separated. I can go in and change the tile size. For example, if I'd like it to be square tiles, 10 by 10, I can go ahead and type in 10 for my width and 10 for my height. I also have the option of changing something called overlap. This allows me to make sure that if I'd like to, I can overlap pieces of each tile so that when I place them back together, they'll be a lot more seamless. Right now, there is no overlap, but if I'd like to, I can go ahead and type in 1 or 2 inches. It'll apply that overlap for me, and then I can print out my images. Underneath is an output option. It'll tell me what the tile count is, so how many tiles I'm going to be printing, and then I can separate them all into either TIFFs or JPEGs. Now what will happen when I press apply is all of these separate images will be saved, so there will be 40 different either TIFFs or JPEGs that I will print individually. I can batch print them all out and then piece them back together once I've printed. All I would need to do is choose a location for where these tiles will be placed, and I'm good to go. Now if I decide that I don't want to tile, all I need to do is press the reset button to set it back to its original numbers, or I can go ahead and turn the tiling panel off.